Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Yoast SEO Premium for internal linking suggestions, full guide step.
In the top menu, click on the SEO tab. From the drop-down menu, select Yoast SEO Premium.
You will be directed to the Premium product page, where you can review the features offered.
Scroll down to find the Buy Now button. Click on the Buy Now button to proceed with your purchase. You will be taken to the checkout page. Here, you need to enter your email address. Create a strong password for your new account.
Fill in your billing details as required. Once all information is complete, check the box agreeing to the terms and conditions.
After reading the terms, click on the Sign Up button. Proceed to the Payment section, selecting your preferred payment method. Enter your payment details accurately.
Review your order summary to ensure everything is correct. Once everything is confirmed, click on the Complete Purchase button.
You will receive an email confirmation of your purchase. Follow the link in the confirmation email to set up your Yoast account.
Log in using the email and password you created earlier.
You will see your dashboard upon logging in. From the dashboard, click on Downloads to access your plugin. Download the Yoast SEO Premium plugin file. Next, go to your website's WordPress dashboard. Hover over the Plugins option in the sidebar. Click on Add New from the Plugins menu.
On the Add Plugins page, click Upload Plugin.
Choose the downloaded plugin file from your computer. Click on the Install Now button. After installation, click on the Activate Plugin link. Once activated, go to the Yoast SEO settings in your WordPress dashboard. You will now see the option for internal linking suggestions under the SEO settings.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.